I know driving, but I just want to practice with you so that I can become more confident like before.
First we need to adjust the seat properly.
Even I want to practice driving.
Your arm position, that should be slide right.
I'm from India.
Hi. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
So let once again today start, and we will practice for the 90-degree parking and practice for the parallel parking also. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So before you did, but maybe need little more practice also for you.
Yeah. Let's try.
Yeah, let's try. So start.
We are going there, yeah?
Yes, yes. Take left.
Here, yeah?
Yes, you can go there. Okay, parking right after this car. Huh? So give right signal, little close to the middle line, and once first line reach like your door lock, then you will make full turn. Yes, like now, but while going, not with the stopping.
Okay.
Let go, release brake, and turn. If you stop and turning, then the car will come close to this car, close to the line. So better need little while going and need full turning. No, keep full, keep full. Yes. Let the car coming full straight like this. Nice, very nice. Make straight. And what is need now? T. And then
Handbrake?
yes, then need handbrake. Okay.
Okay.
Go back once again. Look back. Full turn.
Okay, and parallel we need to make there, yeah?
Yeah.
But we can try to make
Reverse.
back.
Reverse. Okay. Let you try with the straight, like past 2.5 parking. You see the silver car? Yeah. Let go. And from the same parking, suppose you choose this one, go 2.5 parking more. Like one this silver car, the other one is empty, and then half. Stop here. Full turn right. Good. Make straight. 1, 2. So for the adjustment, need little like this here. Huh? Okay. Well, nice. Stop. Put P and up handbrake. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This would make it a 2.5 car.
Yes, of course. 2.5. You want to try from 45 degree also? Okay.
Yeah.
Which gear you put? Need D, huh?
Yeah.
No.
Let's say I want to park.
Okay. So for that, you remember, right? Once you reach like this, end of the parking, you will full turn to the left side. Yes, good. And make 45 degree cross your car. Like this, stop. And then full turn right. Full. Yes. Go slowly. You need to judge from here. Make straight. Little. Start straight. Little. Huh?
That's good.
Yeah. Make it straight now. Like this. Okay? Slow. Yeah, good. Okay.
I will double check. Yeah.
Okay. So put D. Take left. Now we will try for parallel parking.
We will go there, yeah?
Yes, we will go there. Right here. Turn right. This is very close to the pavement. Turn right here. Because need to reduce the speed for the turning normally. Go.
Okay, let's see if we want to park
Yeah.
there. Yeah? Or later.
Later there is
What
only
is
one
white, yeah?
one parking between the two cars, so we will choose that one between the black and white car. Because there is only one parking, so we need to adjust for that. Go like this. What is need?
Need to see
Your side mirror have to pass from his side mirror like this position. Full turn right. Focus on the left side mirror. What is you need to see?
the line.
You need to see the corner, next corner of the parking. Once you see, yes, like this. What is need now?
Make straight.
Yes, good. And now where you need to look?
See,
Right side
to
mirror.
past, his.
Yes,
Okay.
it is reached, so you need to take full turn to the left. Yeah, go slowly, slowly. No, still need little more. Yes, that is perfect. Okay, like this.
P.
P and up handbrake.
But
Yeah, so our viewer can see now how she doing parking very well. Sometimes little bit mistake, but that is, you can say, just 2% you can say. Anyway,
Okay.
now she started driving very well.
finally.
And yeah, and especially in the parking also she improved. You improve, right?
Yeah.
Before, I think difficult parking for you.
It was impossible.
Yeah, and now it is okay, right?
Yeah,
okay.
much better.
So now you feel like you will start by self,
Yeah.
and already she doing by self. I'm just little bit helping. You can say 2% only. So 2% not is enough now. Now you will go to main road. Okay.
Now going right, then we need to come back.
Yes. So before stop sign should be check left side. Once you make sure there is no car, then you should enter.
Up to the last.
No.
Yep.
Close indicator, I will tell you. Take right from signal now.
All right.
Yes. Change. Once again you need to change lane. Reduce from before. Check there. Yes. Right. These are 60-degree parking. Parking left. You didn't before this one, right? Need just one turn only. Yes. No, little more turn there because your car still, yes. Go more. Yeah, now okay. Make straight. So now we will close the video because already we did the parking, and especially we did this this video we did for the people who don't know about the parking, or like they doing mistake. So they can contact with us and we will teach them properly and they will start parking. Like you.
I hope better.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.